Here I have XGODY X15, and today I'm going to show you how to perform a master reset operation on this device. So basically, master reset is just like normal hard reset, but not through recovery mode, but through factory mode. So how to do it? Firstly, you have to turn off your XGODY, and after it turns off completely, you have to hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume down for a couple of seconds like this. So let's get it. After the screen turns on and you can see XGODY logo appeared, you have to release power key and keep holding only volume down. In the following factory menu, everything is in Chinese. You can't really understand it, but I can assure you that to perform this operation you have to select this EMMT option. So to do this you have to use volume down to navigate to it. You can't navigate with volume up, it doesn't work. And select it with power key. And after that all data from your device will be erased and it will be set up anew. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.